Learn to listen to a Scottish Gaelic text. Listen out for keywords and have some understanding what it is about. Train your ear for words that are regularly coming back. It will make it so much simpler to figure out which are the main words in a sentence and what is being talked about. As an example, we will read a text on t-Earrach, the spring. Listen first. We will repeat the text later. Sé t-Earrach an táim a searlam agus, ha fiúr mór Bí na láin a fás na saide agus, bí an títe a fás nas bláie. Stillam cosach go mé sa chuilne nó a bhonag. Gleini tú nach join na séins na crúvan agus, chiú na huain nága gleichs na röntgen. Bí an fér agus na duliac in a fás nas gyrime agus. Bí an dúich a dús go gás dé na heichen an fata dorcha sa jaurag. Before we read the text again, we will go over a list of words you need to listen out for. These words give away the topic of each sentence. Once you recognize these topics in each sentence, it becomes easier to form a question at the end. So here they are. An táim a searlam. Lion. An títe. Cosach. Na hioin. Na huain nága. Fér agus na duliacin. An dúich. Na heichenen. Now listen again to the full text. You can tick off those words as you hear them. An t-Earrach. Sé an t-Earrach an táim a searlam agus, ha fiúr mór Bí na láin a fás na saide agus, bí an títe a fás nas bláie. Stillam cosach go mé sa chuilne nó a bhonag. Gleini tú nach join na séins na crúvan agus, chiú na huain nága gleichs na röntgen. Bí an fér agus na duliac in a fás nas gyrime agus. Bí an dúich a dús go gás dé na heichen an fata dorcha sa jaurag. If needed, do this exercise a second time or even a third time before doing the final step of this video exercise. Once you're happy that you recognize all the words while listening to the full text, you can move on to making questions about the text. We have written out some examples of questions. Jane táim a searlacht. And you will see in the text the response will be Sé an t-Earrach an táim a searlam. Simple. Let's try a second question. Cuinne vis na láin a fás na saide? And the answer is bí na láin a fás na saide as t-Earrach in spring. Okay, it's not literally the same text you can repeat, but use your logic. Everything you need is in the original text. Try a third question. Ciamara vis na láin? Well, we just said it. Bí na láin a fás na saide. So each sentence can have multiple questions you can ask about it. Try another question. Có ríise vis an títe colach? Well, be an cheech fast nas blaie. And that was all that you could find in the text. Gachan t-Earrach cosach. Well, she gave 2 places. Stulum cosach gemuis a chulin were a vonnig. J chluinjestu. What can you hear? Remember, future tense in Gaelic can either be future tense or also mean can you hear? J chluinjestu. She heard the birds. Gluini tu na hioin. J has na reuntjen. Well, ha na huain a kluigs na reuntjen. Or another way of asking, J ha na huain a jianef. What are they doing? Hat a kluig. They are playing. J visse fas. Han a duljakene fas, han fere fas. That is what happens in spring. Simple logic. Karsonne vis na duljaken nas girme. Well, same reason. She en charach a haun. It's springtime. Kiamere vis na heugenen se jourig. Well, we all know they're very long and dark. Han na heugenen fatte dorge. And that's an easy exercise to practice.